guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashlam Khan and welcome to vlog 1. मैंने अभी तक ऐसा व्लॉग पोस्ट कभी किया नहीं है यूट्यूब पे, बट वी हैव प्लान्ड लाइक ट्रिप टू सुल्ला. वेरी लास्ट मोमेंट ट्रिप थी, सो इसके लिए मैंने कुछ प्लानिंग नहीं की है. येस्टरडे इवनिंग प्लानिंग की थी एंड टुडे वी आर हेडिंग. इट्स अराउंड 60 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम पैंजिम. लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय बडीज विथ मी टुडे. आई हैव लिकराज विथ मी, आई हैव विवेक एंड आई हैव प्रवीण. सो ये लोग जो है वो मेरे साथ रहेंगे व्हेन वी आर मोर काइंड ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग एंड ऑल. सो यू सी दिस गाइज वेरी ऑफन. So right now we are at Old Goa. प्रवीण अपना GoPro जो है वो सेट कर रहा है विवेक के लिए. प्रवीण, you should have done this before, bro. We are already late. It'll take like around 1 hour for us to reach to Tamrisulla. I think it's close, but we'll see what we can show you guys. सो ऑलमोस्ट तामरीसुल्ला पहुंच चुके हैं. एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का सोचा है और फोटोशूट करेंगे बिकॉज वी हैव जस्ट फाउंड वन वेरी नाइस ब्रिज. सो वहाँ पे फोटोशूट करके हम लोग डायरेक्टली चलेंगे. So we were just fooling around with Praveen and we are done with our shoot. अभी हम लोग तामरीसुल्ला के लिए निकल रहे हैं. We have almost reached. I think maybe some 10 kilometers away from it. पता नहीं exactly कितना है.
Feeding at Celeste. Tidak guna bonus ah. Itu parada po, parada ke kitu ka. Local car gawa se. This to भी कर. So we are not yet at the spot, but हम लोग like
एंट्री पॉइंट तक पहुंच चुके हैं, बट एक छोटी सी सीन हो गई है. दे आर नॉट अलाउिंग अस इनसाइड. वॉचमैन ने कहा है कि दैट ओनली लोकल्स आर अलाउड एंड we are not allowed, like we are from the city side, so we are not allowed. Also the reason what he told is corona. So अभी ऑप्शन तो कुछ नहीं है, हम लोग ऐसे ही मतलब बस एक्सप्लोर करेंगे जो भी रूरल पार्ट साइड ऑफ द गोवा. तो जो गार्ड था उसने बताया कि वी आर नॉट अलाउड इनसाइड बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना पॉजिटिव केसेस इन दैट पर्टिकुलर विलेज. आई मीन यार कोरोना ने हद कर दी है. लाइक वी कैन नॉट ट्रैवल नथिंग. मतलब अभी लिमिट जो है वो क्रॉस हो चुकी है सबकी. एवरीबडी इज़ फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, want to travel and want to do all the things that we all used to do in our daily life. So since I cannot talk about the place Tamri Sulla, I want to cover a topic which I have experienced today. So first of all, before starting with anything, hits off to all the vloggers who are making this kind of videos, because जब आप करते हो ना तभी आपको पता चलता है कि लाइक उसमें कितना स्ट्रगल लगता है. हाउ मेनी एंगल्स, हाउ मेनी शॉट्स यू हैव टू टेक. कितनी बार कैमरा बैग से निकालना पड़ता है, कितनी बार बैग से कैमरा बैग में डालना पड़ता है. हम लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी रिस्क ऑफ योर कैमरा लूजिंग and it takes a hell a lot of time. So I feel like everybody should start making videos, daily vlogging kind of thing, so that one thing is you have a record of your life which you can refer in future. So for me there are like three reasons why I want to make this kind of videos, or you can say it as vlogging. So पहला reason ये है कि that you always whenever you are doing this kind of videos, आपको आप कैमरे के सामने आना होता है एंड लाइक सो मेनी पीपल आर वॉचिंग यू, सो यू हैव टू बी लाइक कॉन्फिडेंट. सो जब भी आप बात करते हो कैमरे के सामने, द कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बूस्ट अप एवरी डे. Like this is not how I talk with my friends or normally how I talk. Like in front of the camera it's different. So when you repeat this thing, when I keep on repeating this thing, talking in a different tone, my tone becomes better of talking in front of the camera or with the people as well. So whenever you meet some other people, you don't feel low or you don't feel unconfident in front of them. दूसरा रीज़न ये है कि I do wedding films. So for me it's a very good thing because like if I'm shooting every day, my shooting skills will be like way better than now, like so in another 6 months or a year. With that, suppose if I'm editing videos very often, like making this kind of videos and editing, so my editing skills will improve. I myself will get new ideas to create different effects, and the most important, मेरी जो speed है editing speed है वो मतलब बहुत ही fast हो जाएगी. And the third reason is whenever you do this kind of videos, you have to always वो जो buffer time होता है ना वो रखना पड़ता है when you're shooting this kind of videos. Suppose if I have a meeting at 10, I'll have to be ready at 9:30 so that I can take some shots in that half an hour or 15 minutes. Or even if you're like not, even if you're late, then you're not late for the meeting. You can skip the shooting part that time and you can reach on time for your meeting or whatever work you have. So I feel that is the reason why I am doing videos and why all of you guys should start shooting videos. We actually did not get to see Tamri Sulla. I have never been personally. मैं गोवा में रहता हूँ बचपन से, but I have never not visited like most of the places. But from now I'll try and visit most of the places in Goa which are like very famous. Like I have not been to Bondla. Like आधी इंडिया बॉन्डला घूम चुकी होगी, but I have not been to Bondla. It's a very sad part. So with that, I think I'll end up this video here. I hope you guys like the video. Do like and subscribe to the channel and share the video, so that whoever has not come to Goa or cannot come to Goa, they can see the rural side of it, like the greenery and all those things apart from the beach sides. So that was a short little video or a vlog that I shot today on 18th of August 2020. Actually, I wanted to do this from a long time, and finally my vlog 1 is out. So that's it for today. I mean, now we are heading to Valpoi, and after that we are going to home. Actually, we are going straight to home, but हम लोग via Valpoi जा रहे हैं, so that we don't want to see the same thing, and it's raining now. I'll see you guys. Bye bye.